Good morning. I got this idea of doing a snow day idea, so that's what I'm doing right now. It's like 10:40 right now, and I kind of just woke up because I was up at like 3:30 in the morning trying to do an assignment that was due at 9 today. So I went to sleep a little later than I usually do, and I woke up a little later than I usually do, but it's fine because I still got my, like 7 hours of sleep, even though I did wake up like multiple times, but it's fine. I'm up now. I'm about to like actually get out of bed and start my day. I want to see how productive I can be. I still have a class later on, even though it's a snow day, but it's optional, so we'll see. This is what I was working on last night. I literally just left everything on this side of my bed and went to sleep. Like it. Okay, so it's 5 o'clock right now. I need to get something to eat. So far I've had breakfast or brunch, whatever you want to call it. I took my sister to work. I did a little shoveling so I could move the car. Oh my gosh, there's something in my eye. I did do some work there, but there's a lot of work I didn't do. Like, I could have spent some time doing some work, but I was on social media. I was on Instagram specifically. You guys can go ahead and follow me. But I did do some work. I filled out an application and sent it. I did a presentation that's due today, I think. And I've checked all my emails and stuff. I didn't attend the class that I wasn't supposed to attend. I did say I would maybe attend, right? Because he sent an RSVP. And I was like, maybe. I low-key forgot about it until it was like last minute. But I'm about to go find something to eat because I'm hungry. And hopefully I think I'll be more productive at night, but I think I've done decent for a little rest day. Plus I woke up with a headache, so I'm just like, Oh my gosh, guys, this is new. This is cute. Okay. Now, this is what I'm here for. Ooh. Guys, I think I want to make some Easter baskets. I don't know. We'll see. We have a bunch of colorful buckets. There's so much flower. If you want some fake flowers, there's so many. There's so many. These must all be new because last time I was here, this was not here. There was like barely any. Crunchy. I don't know if you can hear this, but we'll see. We'll see. My sister made these. You hear? You hear? Crispy. Look at this beautiful, beautiful soup. Okay, a little update. I bought this because when I drive, the steering wheel is often cold, like when I get in the car, since we're in winter. So I'm hoping that this is going to reduce some of that coldness. And so I'm gonna put it on tomorrow, like right when I get in the car, so that I can actually hold the steering wheel without my hands freezing. Anyways, there's that. I didn't just go out to buy this, by the way. I went to pick up my sister from work, and then I just picked this up on the way. Came home, showered, I ate, and now I want to digest a little. I'm about to open this box for you guys now because I got this recently, and it's supposed to be a purse, right? And I got it to match these shoes I have. I really look crazy, but it's okay because I'm in my own comfort. But yeah, I'm very pleased with how similar these colors are. Like look at that. Look at that. Like this is so much better than going for a white purse, which is what I kind of have been doing, or just going with like a black purse or something that matches with whatever color I'm wearing those shoes with. The black detail I really like. I really like how this has like compartments right here. Oh my gosh. Then I can be like, okay, I'm putting my lipstick, lip gloss right here. I'm putting my cards and IDs and gum right here. Like, you know. I like that a lot. And then of course it locks this way. Oh, and I like the thickness of it because I didn't want something that was too big. Everything else was like, I don't know, everything, there was different sizes. When I saw this, I was like, this is the one. This is the one. I like this a lot. I like this a lot. And it was so cheap. Oh, I love a good saving. After I did my little unboxing, I did a daily devotion and I washed my face. And if you guys want to see my full skincare routine, that is up on the video, so you guys can go ahead and watch it. I'll probably put it right here. If you press right here, you can see that, or you can just wait until the end of this video and then go watch it. So right now I need to switch everything that's from here into my other bag. That's not really mine because this broke, right? And I feel like this is just a good time to switch it out. Here are some things I have in here, guys. A mist, a lotion for my pencils and stuff. And this is for like electronics. Like I'll put my chargers in here when I go to school. I'll put like a snack in here, like a fruit snack or a granola bar. Got deodorant and a whole bunch of other stuff. Just look at these. I love these glasses. I found these inside the bag. So all this needs to go in there, including that pencil. I recently got these folders because I have papers lying around like this and I need these to be put away. So I bought these folders. I actually have a book bag, guys. Like, I have a book bag for real, but that one also broke, the one I was using last year. But I need to go get it fixed because I really like that bag. So yeah. Last thing I want to do is look up some inspiration for my room, because like right now my bed is gray and so is like the bedding and everything, but I want it like a neutral tone, like the bag that I got earlier and the shoes. But I don't know how it would look with a gray bed. I feel like this is a good example because my bed, I said my bed is this color. So I'm just trying to see like how it would look. But yeah, I want something like this, except my bed is gray. I should have got a white one. Well guys, that is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed being with me today, and if you did, I do have more videos like this. I have day in the life, week in the life. You guys have more content to explore, and I will be producing more content like this. Yeah, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing my face, and let's be friends. Follow me on Instagram, subscribe here if you want to. I'll see you guys in my next video. I'm gonna go eat a cupcake because I feel like I deserved it after today. I think I did some good work and I think I deserve it. Bye.